Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today's video I am doing a comparison of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. So I own the 1994, the 2001, the 2011, and this 2018. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't mention 2008. Well, 2008 I used to own. It is part of the Countdown pack. In my personal opinion, I didn't feel like that one was the best of quality, so I had sold it long time ago. So for comparison's sakes, you will not see that in the video. But check out my buddy Dunkster Nice's video after you check out this one. So anyways, to start, I just finished an LA trip, All-Star Weekend. I didn't do too much sneakers, but I won this one at a local Foot Locker in LA. So just to show you all around the box, we have the typical Air Jordan 3 lid with the box, which has elephant print. The back side, Nike branding, Air Jordan Wings logo branding, Jumpman branding, all that good stuff. Coming up at the label, it is on the box itself, it's not on the lid. Personally, I would like to see that the label be on the lid so you can see it better, because when you push the lid down, you can't see that extra text at all at the top. I have seen pairs with the label on the lid, but I'm not sure if that's legit or not. But this was purchased at a Foot Locker. You can see the Foot Locker stamping here. Style number is 854262 and color code is 001. Now I did go true to size and they fit perfect. If you guys are wondering about sizing, definitely go with your true size. It is not anything like the True Blue 3 from 2016. That one I felt, as far as size wise, was the worst fitting 3 that I've ever put on my feet. But this Black Cement, perfect. So pulling it out of the box, you get the elephant print paper, and it does have the Nike Air plastic hang tag. Overall thoughts and first impressions when I first pulled this one out of the box, and was actually seeing a lot more pictures online, but you know, physically holding it in my hand, checking out the materials, checking out the quality, I think Jordan Brand did an exceptional job. As far as leather is concerned, it's very good quality leather. I'm very happy with it. The smell is great. The elephant print is decent. The toe box I wish was a little bit more slanted. The tongue itself, they did do an improvement on that. It isn't like the 2011, in which I'm going to talk about when I compare everything all together. Also have the Nike Air branding on the insole. It's a red insole with black Nike Air branding. And then the bottom of the shoe, you have Nike, just like it's supposed to be, from 1988. As far as paint job's concerned, I think it could have used a bit more work. As you can see, the paint from the black up here at the top is bleeding down towards the white part of the midsole, and it's just a little bit sloppy. And I've seen like people share with me pictures about the paint work on that, and you know, from a distance can't really tell, especially if you're gonna be rocking it. You don't really look into the details like that, but if you're keeping it on ice and it's just, you know, a trophy piece that you guys are, you know, trying to keep, trying to be a collector, that's all fine and dandy. That's, you know, some of the things that you want to nitpick about. But I did notice though, on left shoes of your Air Jordan 3s, you will notice like a slight crookedness to the tab. I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up, but you can see that on that part of the shoe it is crooked there. I'm not sure if that is throughout like every single release that have been out there, but I've seen crooked tabs at the back of like one shoe over the other. So you guys may want to inspect that just to make sure that you guys, you know, don't get weirded out about that. But it's just one of those things where if it continues to bother you, I would definitely try and return it or exchange it or resell it or something like that and get you a pair that is more aligned. So yeah, my overall thoughts about the Black Cement 3, I thought they did a great job. As far as attaching the remastered name to it, I wouldn't say that. It's nothing like the OG. You have like a rounded out collar area on the OG as compared to this. The red at the front of the tab here, you can see it peeking through. On the OG, it's actually tucked underneath and this gray part is folded over. So just those differences, as well as like the elephant print should be lower and a little bit lighter. The leathers are always going to be different as well because Jordan and Nike aren't using the same leathers that they did in the 80s. But, you know, as a creation, as a retro for 2018, I thought they did a great job. And this will be rocked proudly.